In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature in Docusign. This is an essential skill for anyone wanting to streamline their document management process and make signing documents a breeze. Let's dive into the steps to get your signature on a document using Docusign. First, you'll want to start by navigating to Docusign's website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the URL or search for Docusign in your search engine. This will take you to the home page where you can either log in, create an account, or continue as a guest if the option is available. Ensure you have your login details handy if you already have an account. Once you're logged in, you'll need to access the particular document you intend to sign. For demonstration purposes, let's look at an example scenario where we navigate to the Agreements section, then head into Drafts to select an existing document. This is a typical path for those managing documents that are already in the workflow but not yet finalized. Now that you have your document open, your next step is to locate the signature field. You'll find a variety of fields on the left-hand side of the interface. These fields are designed to help you carry out different tasks within your document. What you're looking for is the Signature field. It should be visibly listed among other options like Initial, Date, and so on. To add your signature, simply click on the Signature field once you've found it. This will activate the field, allowing you to insert it into your document. After activation, drag the Signature field over to the precise location where you want your signature to appear. This step is crucial as it determines where your signature will be placed once the document is finalized and viewed by all parties involved. After positioning the signature field where you need it, double-check to ensure it's aligned properly and that nothing in your document format looks off. Once you're satisfied with the placement, you can hit the Finish button if you're ready to finalize or continue editing the document as needed before completing the process. By following these steps, you've successfully added a signature to your document using Docusign. Whether you're handling personal paperwork, completing contracts, or just trying to keep your documents organized and accessible, mastering how to add signatures in Docusign can make your workflow smoother and more efficient. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step